Along with luxuries and comforts, the trials and troubles are also the part of life. Allah Azza wa Jal sometimes tests His bondman by disease, sometimes by poverty, sometimes by relative death, sometimes by the fear of enemy, sometimes by any loss, sometimes by calamities, and sometimes by modern day evils, etc. Part of deen and preaching of it is especially the way which may bring us trials and troubles at every step. These trials and troubles distinguish between the obedient and disobedient pupil, as well as between the true lovers and the false claimers. Remember, trials and troubles hit the pupil according to their piety level. The more adherence to Islam one has, the bigger the troubles he faces. Someone humbly said in the court of the beloved Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam, O beloved Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who have faced more troubles? The beloved Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, the blessed Prophet alaihi salam, thereafter those who are better after them, thereafter those who are better after them. A person is caused to trouble according to his piety level. If he is stricter upon his deen, the several is trial for him. And if he is weaker upon his deen, Allah Almighty tests him according to his piety level. إنما يوفى الصابرون أجرهم بغير حساب. Only those who are patient shall receive their reward in full without reckoning. وجعلنا منهم أئمة يهدون بأمرنا لما صبروا وكانوا بآياتنا يوقنون. And we made from among them children of Israel leaders giving guidance under our command when they are patient and used to believe with certainty in our ayat. Inna Allah ma'as sabirin. And be patient, surely Allah is with those who are patient. Whoever Allah Azza wa Jal intends good for him, He puts him to test. So generally, people become impatient on the occasion of trials and tribulations, even though having troubles refers to the sign of divine blessings to us and the divine will of doing goodness to us. Moreover, if we show patience for the pleasure of Allah Azza wa Jal, that trial will light up our faces on the day of judgment. The Holy Quran says, أولئك يؤتون أجرهم مرتين بما صبروا ويدرؤون بالحسنة السيئة ومما رزقناهم ينفقون. These will be given their reward twice over because they are patient and repel evil with good and spend out of what we have provided them.